Welcome again to Multibiomics. So let me give you a short walkthrough how we are going to interact with each other. First of all, I'm always available on LinkedIn. You can message me anytime. And secondly, you can join my WhatsApp group and you'll get the notifications regularly in the WhatsApp group, right? And it is very important for you if you are taking this class, as this class is proceeding. So it's not a live class, but still I would encourage you to join my Google Classroom. The link is provided in my LinkedIn featured post, and I'll also post the uh, Google Classroom link in the description box below, right? So let me give you a short walkthrough how to uh, you know, I want you to be familiar with this Google Classroom interface. If you see here, this is the page you'll land in when you'll click on the link. So there you will get some notifications, right? So the older notifications will be at the bottom, and the newer notifications will be on the top. There are different tabs. You have to check the classwork tab. Here I will create various topics, and when you click a topic, inside the topic you will get several materials. So in theory, here you're getting different presentations, right? And you can go back to classwork, and then this is the first topic that I have created. Here, if you see, an introduction to common analytical workflow, right? So a brief description about that topic will be given over here. So since it is a hands-on practical, the code available will be in this GitHub link. And I've also provided the dataset that you have to download here. The link is provided over here, right? So you can either click in this link and the dataset will be downloaded directly. Otherwise, you can click here, and this is the link to the dataset in my Google Drive. You can also, if I give some, I don't intend to, but if suppose if I give assignments, you can also submit the assignment, but we will see. It is not decided yet. This was the short walkthrough through Google Classrooms. You'll get notifications each and every time when I post any new content or announcement. I hope this was easy. You got to know about the interface of Google Classroom, and I look forward to see your participations, and please be very interactive. It will encourage me, and I'll come with several other newer courses following this single cell RNA analysis. Now, thank you. Have a nice day.